If you were to ask me some of the features I like most about 8 Gibbons Road in Paris, I would start with its size. Located in the town of Paris, offering near 3,000 square feet of finished living space, 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and the laundry, all on the upper level. A bright, spacious, sun-filled main level, as well as a full unfinished basement, which allows you the opportunity to expand your living space or explore an accessory dwelling unit, allowing you to offset your mortgage payments by renting and or offering space to friends or family members.
Up your eyes, take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you want is mine. Take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good
Offering a lot of amenities, walking distance to both Catholic and public elementary schools, a wealth of outdoor activities, as well as very quick proximity to the Highway 403.